Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll share with you on how to remove passkey on TikTok. So the first step you have to take is to log into your TikTok and make sure it's your account that you logged into, or the account you want to change the passkey that you logged into. The next is to click on your profile. So right here, you just click on 3 lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on accounts. So you click on the passkey option here. So you're going to see the option that says refuse, kind of dustbin. You click on the remove, confirm that you want to remove the passkey, and automatically it will be removed for you to reset or make the new passkey that you want to make. So guys, that's it on how to remove passkey on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.